आपको देखने को मिले हैं। अब ऊपर की तरफ की रेंज की बात करें तो ऊपर की तरफ की रेंज के लिए हम थोड़े से बड़े चार्ट पर चले।
Hi friends, and very good morning to you all. Slightly tied up and was not able to do much. So on Friday, I think initially we took put, and then we went for longs. Okay, so this was the put above 100, 5 lots, 106 can go for the rest quantity. Okay, so once I think this was one trade, and then we had a call trade. Okay, I'll also show you what we traded on Bank Nifty. So we so this is the Nifty Bank Nifty. Okay, this was a buy entry for the call side. Okay, once the price crossed this, we went for longs. Okay, and of course you saw what is the high made. All right, so that was the trade in Bank Nifty. So this was the sell level. This was the buy level. Okay, anywhere above this was a good buy, and solid 290 300 it went to 400. This was the two trades we took on Friday. Now let us come what we are expecting on. So Monday, that is tomorrow, or morning 9:15, we expect market possibly to move towards this level or even this any of these levels. Okay, so right now if you see, it has formed a triangle. Okay, this is the triangle which is formed, or rather this is the triangle, and this is the uh, price which has been moving, right? If we draw a horizontal line like this, so it is trading in this range. Okay, there was a breakout, but then it is a fake because market has opened gap up and covered it. So this is the range right now market is moving in as per the trend line. So tomorrow market has to test this level and this level, possibly even go up to here and then maybe come down. Okay, why we are saying this? Because there is a lot of liquidities which is here in this and this range. Okay, also there is, of course, there is liquidity here and this levels. So market will test these levels. But why see more big movement possibly in Bank Nifty? Okay, so if there's a good gap up, that market can test this, and if the big players want, they can even go for the next level, which is 57,960 or 58,000. All right, and I'm looking at Reliance. I will look to buy if it crosses. Okay, if it crosses above this level, 1318 level. Okay, we may see a good upside up to 1330. Right, let's see the levels. Infosys is again slowly started its downside move. Okay, If you notice, it has been now slowly moving down. Okay, so if somebody wants to take a put trade, yes, there is a possibility. But then, being a month end, you need to see which strike price, whether you take this August strike price or the next month strike price when it comes to stocks. Okay, because of liquidity issues. Jubilant has been going very strong, and if we notice, US oil also has again started moving up. So it's not a real great day for the markets. Though primarily we are expecting some positive moves on the upside on Monday. Okay, who are interested can join our channel either in Telegram or in WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll share the Telegram link over here after a while. So very important level I can see last time market fell from here, and then this was the level that we were expecting. Much before that it started moving up. Now again, if you see, crude seems to be going up. The first level is over here, and then this level, which may possibly go in some time. Before that, if it wants, it may test this level 83 or 84 and then start moving up. Okay, so see, market needs liquidity, so it purposely comes down up, and then many people think that there's a big move one side and they get stuck over there. Okay, give me a minute, let me put this for charge. Meanwhile, if you have any questions you can put, but as I said, there is a slight possibility of market moving up. So crude now primarily is strong. There is a bit of selling which can come now at this level because of liquidity issues. So very important point I wanted to tell you all. See, market is right now, there is no much of volatility. If you see, market Nifty has been moving very low. See this. Let us see what happened on Friday. What is the big? There was not much of moves. Okay, if you see 24,250, forget all that. Where did market open? 24,270. Low made was 24,200. Closing was 220.30. So market is actually trading in a big small range, as I said. And I said Bank Nifty, this is a range for Monday. So if you want to trade, you can trade Bank Nifty because the range is big. Also, how do we understand what is the issue? See, whenever VIX comes down, we need to understand. See, VIX is nothing but volatility index, right? So Nifty, I mean, sorry, the index, if you see, especially Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it has come down drastically, right? Look at the moves made here. So there will be no big moves. So if you want to understand, one is India VIX, the other is the IVs, the delta. Generally, the IV, the delta is what you need to look at. Blindly thinking that market, oh, okay, buying call, buying put doesn't help. Understand the option data, the Greeks, everything, and then trade. And coming into, as I said, Infosys, there is a weakness which is coming again into IT. You see Infosys, you see TCS, all are again slowly moving down. So there is bearishness, and so be cautious on this IT stocks, if you're holding any ITBs. But yes, if you're looking at long term, slowly you can put a SIP in ITBs if you want to, but smaller quantity. Okay, right? And this is a view for these are the levels. Please do copy these levels. So these are the levels which can be tested on the top side or on the bottom side. These are the levels. And same goes with Bank Nifty. I have shared the upside, and I see as per the data slight bullishness to flat. Okay, is possibility there. Uh, so as I said, this was a trade we took in Bank Nifty. Give a good solid profit. So let us hope we will be able to catch some good small points on Monday. That's tomorrow. So thank you all. God bless you. Take care. And remember how whether we need to trade or not, please first calculate what is the possible moves, whether on the call side or put side, and then decide the quantity and try to be disciplined, because the only one way to make profit is to be disciplined with proper analysis. Okay, all round analysis is required, not just charts, not just data alone, not just news alone. So that's it for now. Have a